In this video, we review BBVA Bank's Internet Checking Account. Have you used BBVA Bank's Internet Checking Account before? What was your experience? Leave your BBVA Bank Internet Checking Account review in the comments section below. Did you know that BBVA's mobile banking app has been recognized as a leader in mobile banking by Javelin Strategy Research for 3 consecutive years? Additionally, BBVA offers access to over 64,000 ATMs across the US through its partnerships with AllPoint and 7-Eleven, providing extensive fee-free ATM access to its customers. BBVA Bank's Internet Checking Account, known as the Online Checking Account, is designed for customers who prefer managing their finances digitally. With a minimum opening deposit of $25, this account offers several advantages. Notably, there is no monthly maintenance fee, making it an attractive option for those seeking a cost-effective banking solution. Account holders have access to a vast network of over 64,000 ATMs nationwide, including BBVA, AllPoint, and 7-Eleven ATMs, allowing for convenient, fee-free withdrawals. The account also includes a complimentary BBVA Visa debit card, which can be used for everyday purchases, and provides access to the Simple Cashback program, enabling customers to earn cashback rewards on qualifying purchases. The online checking account is supported by BBVA's robust online and mobile banking platforms. The mobile app has received accolades for its user-friendly interface and comprehensive features, allowing customers to manage their accounts, deposit checks, pay bills, and monitor transactions seamlessly from their devices. This digital emphasis caters to tech-savvy individuals who value the convenience of banking on the go. However, there are some considerations to keep in mind. While the online checking account does not charge a monthly maintenance fee, certain services come with additional costs. For instance, opting for paper statements incurs a fee of $3 per statement period, which can be avoided by enrolling in electronic statements. Additionally, using out-of-network ATMs may result in a $3 fee per transaction, so it's advisable to utilize the extensive network of fee-free ATMs available to BBVA customers. Another aspect to consider is that BBVA's physical branch presence is primarily concentrated in states like Alabama, Arizona, California, Florida, New Mexico, and Texas. Customers residing outside these areas may not have access to in-person banking services, which could be a drawback for those who prefer occasional face-to-face interactions. In summary, BBVA Bank's online checking account offers a compelling package for individuals seeking a fee-free, digital-centric banking experience. The combination of no monthly maintenance fees, extensive ATM access, and a highly rated mobile app makes it a strong contender in the online banking arena. However, potential customers should be mindful of ancillary fees for certain services.